Hi friends, welcome to the interesting demo today. In this demo, we are going to see how the quantization noise will affect the quality of the signal at various bit depth levels. I take here a piece of music which is having the bit depth value of 24 bits. Then I am gonna reduce it to 20, 16, then 12, 8, then 5, 3, then finally 2. Then we are going to see the quality of the signal at various bit depth levels. Let's get started. This is the original 24-bit music. The time domain representation of the signal is also shown. Next we play it with 20, 16 and 12-bit precisions one by one. So far it sounds good even though the quantization noise increases. Let's start to play it with 8-bit now. We can see a little bit degradation here, but it's not that much poor. Let's see what happens if we play it with 5 bits. Quantization noise is high now, which affects the quality of the signal. Let's play it with 3 bits and 2 bits now. The quantization noise is very high, so the quality is very low. Let's see the time domain once again quickly. Okay guys, we know the importance of bit depth now practically. For speech signals, bit depth of 8 or 12 is used. For a music or audio signals, bit depth of 16 or 24 is used. Okay then, bye bye.